Hello YouTube, I am Nitesh Kumar and today I'm gonna show you how you can create a simple, actually not simple, it is pretty sweet and sexy kind of application that you can build in Eclipse. I made this application which actually adds to number, uh, enter it for it. When you hit add, it gives the result and it has nice background and a cool logo. So let's just get it started and build your own first Android application. And to make that application, go to file, go on new. You might be having Android project over here. If not, that don't worry about that. Go to others and uh, under this new wizard, click on the Android project, hit next, and I'm gonna name this application as add dad because it is the daddy of all the addition application that you might have seen earlier, and it's the daddy of it actually. And hit next, and make sure to create a custom launcher icon for it. To select the launcher icon, actually I have already made an icon, and that is I have set browse to the icon and click on new button, open button, so I hit on next, create a blank project, hit next and finish. Now we have this uh, now we have a blank canvas to work with. First of all, I'm gonna quickly um, set a background of this application, so it needs to be fit in it need to be uh, can't speak need it need to be in this drawable folder. So open the folder in which you have kept your background for your application and make sure that you have named it all lowercase. None of them should be uppercase, otherwise it will give you an error. And one more thing, the all the picture must be in the PNG format. That is suggest JPG I think might not gonna work with this, so it's simple to put this in drawable folder so that we can use in our application. Just drag and drop it over here, hit OK, and that's it. Now you have um, background for your application. And next thing, here we have the blank canvas which says hello world. We don't need that, so I'm gonna delete this. um, let's zoom in, and basically I'm gonna add two numbers, so I need two text field for number actually. So go to the text field and drag and drop the number field. This is for the first one, and if you double click on it, or if you have selected this, then in the properties panel it will show you an ID of it, and it's basically the referring ID we can use later on when we are working in the Java. So it is for the first number, so I'm gonna name it num num1 actually. Hit enter, hit OK, that's fine. And for the second number, again drag and drop right below it and change the ID of this text field to num2. Hit hit okay, and that's it. Now to show the result we need uh, a text view. So I'm gonna put a large text view so that you can see the result uh, perfectly, and select this, and you can change your name to text view to TV display, because it's actually gonna display the result. And last thing we need is button ad. And if you go over here in the properties panel, you can give an ID of it, and hit okay, and there you go. Now I just want to make this button say add instead of saying button, so double click on it. It will open up main XML file. It's basically the graphical view, and it is the XML view of it, the graphical view. So here there's, it says buttons. I'm gonna change the name of button to add. Now you can see it has add instead of button. And next thing sorry, next thing I'm gonna change the last text to, actually I'm gonna delete this because it doesn't have any numbers, so it should not show any answer. Or you can just say simply the sum is, and that's it. Leave a space, and we are done with our layout. And I just want to quickly set up a text field over here too, and double click on it. It will open the XML file of it. It says the text view. I'm gonna change it to enter to number to add. Now it will give a little message to user to enter to number so that you can add it. And last but not the least, we want to set up the background. We don't want it to look pretty ugly, and most of the other tutorials in the YouTube's gives that kind of ugly background, so I'm not like that. I want a cool application basically. So go to, no, not here, go to right overview XML layout. Under the height, go down below and enter Android colon background. Now name this as, actually I'm gonna delete this and go to your drawable and name your background exactly same as you have given the name in a drawable folder. So it is called back. So I'm gonna name this cal back. Make sure not to put png over here, otherwise it will give you an error message. So thanks again for watching. We have set up our layout, basically our background and other cool stuff. It looks pretty awesome. And the next part of this tutorial, I'm gonna work with Java and actually make this application do something to add to numbers. So thanks for watching people, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Gives like, thumbs up, other cool stuff that you do. Support my channel, and yeah, thanks for watching.